Okay, look at this type of questions. We have Yuri has $240. He spends 5/8 of his money on a new bicycle. Hassan has 120 and he wants to buy a bicycle that costs 1/2 times the amount of money he has. Calculate the difference between the two bicycles. First of all, you need to know how much each bicycle costs. Like if we're talking about Yuri and his bicycle, we say Yuri's bicycle costs what?
200.
5/8 of the 240. When we say 5/8, we write it 5/8. Then we multiply by what? By 240. As you like, you can multiply the 5 with the 240 first. Like you can say 5 multiply 240 and then you divide by 8.
150.
If you just try to do so, like 5 multiplied 240 is equals what? You say 5 multiplied 0 is 0 and 5 multiplied 2 is also another 0 and you carry over 2 and 5 multiplied 2 is 10 plus the 2 is going to be 1,200. Then 1,200 you're going to divide it by 12 or by 8, sorry. Then when you divide, you say that's equal. You divide 12 divide 8 is equals to 1 by 8 and remainder 4. This 4, you put the 0 is going to be what? It's going to be 40 multiply 8 is 5 and then 0 multiply 8 is 0. Other people, they do the things in another different way. What is it? When we have 5/8 multiply 240, you can divide by the denominator first. You see 240 divide 8. That will make it, and then you multiply by 5. That's 5 multiply what? Multiply 30. That also is equal to $150. Then Yuri's bicycle cost $150. Then after that, you go and find the cost of Hassan's bicycle. You say Hassan's bicycle cost is 1 and 1/2. When you say 1 and 1/2, we can change it into what? We can change it into improper fraction. And that will be 1 multiplied 2 is equal to 2 plus the 1 is equal to 3. It's going to be 3/2 multiply the money that he has, which is equal to 120. And then you can do the same idea. You could say 120 divided by 2 is equal to 60. And 60 multiply 3 is equals to what? Is equal to $180. This is going to be what? This is going to be the cost of the bicycle. Okay?
And the difference is 30.
Then they ask you to find the difference between them. Remember all the time and forever, whenever they ask you to find a difference between any two things, you just say the greatest one, which is $180, minus the smallest one, which is equal to $150. And this is going to be ending with what?
$30.
This is going to be ending with only $30. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.